excited with the way the governor has been piloting the affairs of Edo State.
Edo women don't endorse Obaseki for second term as them join hands together take buy am nomination form.
It's for APC.
On top the governorship election we go shele for Edo State for September 19 this year, Edo women don't come knack ogbonge support give Governor Godwin Obaseki as them endorse am for second tenure. Them throw away their support give Governor Obaseki for different press conference we shele for the state. Market women from the 18 local government areas where the Edo State, coalition of professional women, female teachers for the whole state, female leaders and members of all Progressives Congress, and female political office holder don't join money together take buy APC nomination form wey be 22.5 million naira for Governor Godwin Obaseki, making for fit come back come govern Edo State for second term. For Ogiso market wey dey Benin City, leaders of all the markets wey dey for the 18 local government areas wey dey Edo State don't come talk their mind on top the political gbege wey dey shele for Edo State. Coalition of women professionals wey leaders and members of Federation of Women Lawyers FIDA, Association of Private School Proprietors, Association of Female Pharmacists, Association of Women Engineers and other ogbonge professionals they don't control wey ogbonge support give Edo State wey can see governor for second term. Meanwhile, for meeting with State Organizing Secretary for Edo APC, Dr. Isos Amada Sundu, APC women leaders from the 18 local government areas ready for Edo State and female political office holders constitute better support give Governor Godwin Obaseki as they endorse them for second term.
We just found out that he has appointed more than 460 women in his administration. We want to say a very big thank you to our governor.
And if we facilitate his coming back, that means we are stakeholder in having a say in what is going to happen to the women in the next dispensation. And that is why we are here.
The Edo women are saying, from our pocket, we are going to pay for his nomination form.
Yeah. And so today, as very strong women, we the women leaders, politicians in Edo State, we are giving support to the second coming of His Excellency. And we are participating, we are going to buy his nomination form.
This way Obaseki come, all the work wey they do for Edo State, we market women, we see her. For that, now we can say, make we take account for the good things wey they do.
So with the market women, we are going to buy ticket for Obaseki.
Representatives of female teachers on top State Universal Basic Education Board (SUBEB) from the local government areas where they do still come support Obaseki for second tenure.
We the female teachers of Edo State are solidly behind you. Go on, Mr. Governor.
This one are the ogbonge informate wey we don't carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Edo women don't endorse Governor Godwin Obaseki for second term as them join hand together take buy am nomination form. Make una sabi say na till live media and I carry this ogbonge informate come give una as the hot.